Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 5-minute scalping strategy for forex, stocks, crypto using CCI. Okay, so first you need an indicator called Hull Suite. Okay, Hull Suite here by In Silico. So the setting is 60, 3 and line thickness 10. Okay, and then you want a CCI indicator. Okay, it's this one. So the setting is 14. Okay, so for buy, basically you want the this Hull Suite to be green, and then for CCI, you wait for the CCI to go below negative 100 line. Okay, here it goes below negative 100, and then basically you wait for the CCI to go back up to above negative 100. Okay, so it's here. So you see the number here. It's a negative 34. So this is our entry. Okay, and the Hull Suite has to be green all the time. Okay, so it's here. So you enter here. So your stop loss is basically the last logical swing high, swing low. Okay, so it's a bit subjective. Okay, so the last swing low maybe here or here, whatever you want, And so let's say I pick here. So it's a bit subjective. So you can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. Okay, so let's say we target 1 to 2. So yeah, we get it here, and again another signal here. So it goes. We wait for it to go below negative 100, and it go back up. Okay, negative 99 here. So you see the number here. So it's here. So this is our entry. All right. So this is our entry. So your stop loss is a bit subjective, and okay, last swing low. Maybe it's here or here or here. Okay. So if you want to backtest, make sure you don't see the price ahead of time. Okay. You don't want to hindsight backtest. All right. So you can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. Okay. So if you target 1 to 2, it's here. You can also use the support and resistance as your take profit. So let's say it's here. Okay. You can take profit here because it's a support and resistance. Okay. Okay, so for sell, it's the opposite. So you wait for the Hull Suite to be red, and then for CCI, you wait for the to break the above 100. Okay, so it break here, it pierced above the 100 line. Okay, it's here, and then you wait for it to go back down. Okay, not here. Okay, it's here. You see the number 87. So okay, so this is our sell signal, and the Hull Suite has to be red. Okay, so this is our sell signal, and basically your stop loss is the last swing high. Okay, so maybe here. So you target 1.5 or 1 to 2. 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. Okay, so it's here. You can also use your like a support and resistance as your take profit. Okay, say we take here. Not sure if we hit that. No, we didn't hit that. Okay. So, okay, so here's another sell signal. So the Hull Suite is red, and basically you wait for it to pierce upward above 100. Okay, and then it goes back down. Okay, so here 85, you see here. So 85. So that's our sell signal. Okay, so sorry. We sell here. So the last swing high. So it's very subjective. Okay, you don't want to like do it like this because it's too big. Okay, so it has to make sense. Okay, let's say it's here. Okay, it's very subjective. Okay, so let's say it's here, just slightly above that, and you can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. Okay, so it's here. Okay, so that's it. So if you like the video, please subscribe, and if you have any question, just ask me the question down below. I'll answer every question. Okay.